It was raining that night, not the peaceful kind of rain, the kind that makes everything feel off. I was alone in my room, scrolling through my phone, trying to ignore the silence. That's when it happened. A message popped up, unknown number. I almost ignored it, but something told me not to, so I opened it. Don't go to sleep yet. I frowned, probably a wrong number. I typed back, who is this? 3 dots appeared instantly, like they were already waiting. You don't know me yet. A chill ran down my spine. I sat up. What do you mean? There was a pause, long enough to make me uncomfortable. Then, it's 11:42 p.m. for you right now. I glanced at my phone. 11:42 p.m. My fingers froze. How do you know that? No reply. Instead, another message came in. In 3 minutes, your power will go out. I almost laughed. "3 minutes ago, I got a message from an unknown number. It said, in 3 minutes, your power will go out." I laughed until the clock started ticking louder. Then darkness. Everything went black. I was terrified till another message appeared. "I told you about how your power will go off." That's when I stood a bit far from my room, and I saw it. A shadow standing outside. But when lightning flashed, it was gone. The rain started hitting harder, like something was coming. Then another message came. "Don't open your door, no matter what you hear." Then I heard it. Knock, knock. The door started shaking. My hands wouldn't stop trembling. Something was right behind that door, and it was calling me. Another message flashed. "Don't do it." But then the final message came. Because for me, this already happened yesterday. I was so scared and shocked. The night didn't end. It stayed with me, even after the knocking stopped. I didn't tell anyone. Couldn't. Who would believe me? Morning came, but it didn't feel like morning. I hadn't slept, not even for a second. My body felt heavy. My head, worse. I picked up my phone, thought about calling someone, anyone, but something inside me stopped me. The feeling, cold, sharp, like a warning. If I told anyone, something bad would happen. So I stayed quiet. At work, nothing felt real. Voices sounded distant. Faces blurred together. I couldn't focus. I couldn't breathe properly. Every second felt wrong, like I wasn't supposed to be there. I rushed home, fast, too fast, looking behind me every few seconds, feeling like something was following me, watching me, waiting. By the time I got home, I knew one thing: this wasn't over. Night came again, and with it, the rain, louder than before, heavier, like something was trying to break in. My phone lit up in the dark. "Don't look at reflections tonight." This time, it didn't feel like advice. It felt like a rule. I turned on my flashlight. The room felt smaller, colder. The shadows looked wrong. Too long, too still. I avoided the mirror, the TV, the window, anywhere that could show me. My phone buzzed. "Good, you're listening." My throat went dry. "What happens if I don't?" A pause. Then it sees you. My heart dropped. What sees me? No reply. Then a sound. A drip, drip, drip. I turned slowly. The bathroom door was open. Water running inside. But I didn't touch it. I know I didn't. I walked closer. Slowly. My chest tightening with every step. The light flickered. off, on, off, then stayed on. I pushed the door open. The tap was running, water overflowing into the sink, and above it, the mirror. I froze. I didn't look. I tried not to, but from the corner of my eye, I saw it. Someone standing behind me. My breath stopped. I turned. Nothing.
Empty.
No one.
I turned back
Empty.
slowly, and this
I
time I
turned
looked. It was me, just me,
Slowly.
standing there.
And this time, I looked. It was me, just me, standing there, breathing, staring. I almost laughed, relief washing over me, until my reflection smiled. I wasn't smiling. My heart dropped. I stepped back, but it didn't move. It stayed there, watching, grinning wider. My phone vibrated violently. Don't look at it. Too late. The reflection tilted its head. Slow, unnatural. Then it raised its hand and pressed it against the glass. From the inside, a crack formed. Then the mirror shifted. I felt it. My body shaking. My breath out of control. Then darkness, complete darkness, and footsteps inside the room. Slow, dragging, getting closer. I grabbed my phone.
What is happening?
What is happening? The reply came instantly. It saw you. The footsteps stopped. Right behind me. Couldn't move. Then a voice.
It saw you.
Right next to my ear. My own voice.
You weren't
You
supposed to
weren't
look.
supposed to look. My phone lit up again. That's not me texting you anymore. Then another message appeared. Same number, but this time, different, colder, sharper. Tomorrow, I take your place. Couldn't move. That voice. It was mine. Not similar. Not close. Exactly mine. You weren't supposed to look. My body froze, like I was alive, but not in control. The room was silent, but not empty. Something was behind me. My phone vibrated. I typed, "What do I do? This is the last time I can help you. It's not watching you. It's learning you. Every movement, every fear, so it can become you. How do I stop it? You can't. I tried. Because I'm you. From tomorrow." It all made sense. The messages, the warnings. I wasn't being saved. I was being prepared. Then I saw it. Me. Same face. Same body. But empty. Wrong. And when it's done, you become me. Send it. Darkness. Silence. Then I woke up. A message appeared. Who is this? My hands moved. You don't know me.